Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS RC P51 Mustang Red-Tail Warbird is a high-performance remote control airplane designed for adult hobbyists and experienced RC pilots. Modeled after the legendary World War II fighter plane, this RC Warbird features an impressive 1,700 mm (66.9-inch) wingspan, offering excellent flight stability, presence, and scale realism in the air. This model is a 6-channel aircraft, giving pilots full control over essential flight surfaces, including ailerons, elevator, rudder, throttle, flaps, and retractable landing gear. The flaps enhance slow flight characteristics and landing control, while the electric retracts with metal trunnions provide a realistic takeoff and landing experience. The airplane is also equipped with LED navigation lights, improving visibility and realism during dusk or dawn flights. Constructed from durable EPO foam, the airframe is lightweight yet resilient against minor crashes. The model comes in P&P, plug-and-play, configuration, meaning it includes a powerful pre-installed motor, ESC, and servos, but excludes a transmitter, receiver, battery, and charger. This allows pilots to customize their electronics to match their preferred setup. The iconic red-tail livery pays tribute to the Tuskegee Airmen, giving the plane a distinctive and historic appearance. Its large size, combined with detailed scale features like the 4-blade propeller, air scoops, and panel lines, makes it a standout both in the air and on the ground. Overall, the FMS 1,700 mm P51 Mustang Red-Tail is ideal for advanced pilots who want a beautifully detailed, high-performing warbird. It offers an immersive flying experience, from smooth cruising to agile aerobatics, and is perfect for anyone looking to celebrate aviation history through realistic RC flight. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc Sport Cub RC Plane Trainer is a beginner-friendly 4-channel remote control airplane designed for kids, adults, and novice pilots learning to fly. With a compact 500 mm (19.7-inch) wingspan, this ready-to-fly (RTF) aircraft is lightweight, durable, and easy to control, making it ideal for first-time users. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the plane offers excellent flight stability and assists in maintaining smooth, level flight even in light wind conditions. The gyro system makes flying more forgiving for beginners by correcting unwanted movements and helping to avoid crashes. The aircraft supports 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing users to gradually improve their skills. Beginner mode provides full gyro assistance and limits control angles to prevent overcorrection. Intermediate mode gives partial control for smoother transitions, while expert mode disables gyro assistance entirely, giving the pilot full manual control for advanced maneuvers. One of the standout features is the propeller saver design, which helps protect the motor and prop in the event of a crash, reducing damage and repair time. This thoughtful feature extends the plane's lifespan and makes it safer for beginners. The Sport Cub comes fully assembled in RTF, meaning it includes everything needed to fly out of the box: airplane, remote controller, battery, and charger. Its 2.4 GHz radio system allows for interference-free control and longer range, supporting flying multiple planes at once without signal conflict. The red and white color scheme enhances visibility during flight, and the plane's lightweight and EPP foam construction help absorb impacts and reduce damage from hard landings. In summary, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is a perfect entry-level RC airplane for beginners and casual flyers. Its intuitive controls, stabilizing technology, and durable build offer a fun, safe, and confidence-building introduction to RC aviation. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane, EFL 15250, is a versatile and powerful bind-and-fly (BNF) basic aircraft, ideal for intermediate to advanced RC pilots looking for a high-performance STOL, short takeoff and landing, model. With a 1.5-meter, 59-inch wingspan, this aircraft combines agility, durability, and advanced flight features, making it a standout in any RC fleet. Constructed from lightweight yet rugged EPO foam, the turbo timber is built to handle rough landings in challenging flying conditions. It comes equipped with AS3X, artificial stabilization, 3-axis, technology for smooth, stable flight and safe select for optional flight envelope protection, giving pilots added confidence during takeoff, landing, and low-speed maneuvering. This model includes a high-power brushless motor, delivering impressive thrust for dynamic aerobatics or slow-speed cruising. Oversized tundra-style wheels enable takeoffs and landings on grass, gravel, or dirt, and the included float set allows for water-based operation, adding to its all-terrain versatility. The turbo timber also features functional flaps, which significantly reduce takeoff and landing distance, and LED navigation and landing lights for added realism and visibility in low-light conditions. The high-wing design contributes to excellent stability and visibility during flight. As a BNF basic model, the turbo timber comes with a pre-installed Spectrum receiver, but requires a compatible transmitter, battery, and charger, sold separately. This format is ideal for pilots who already own Spectrum gear and want to expand their fleet without purchasing duplicate equipment. In summary, the E-Flite Turbo Timber 1.5M is a robust, fun-to-fly RC airplane that performs well across a wide range of environments. Its combination of STOL capability, rugged design, and smart technology makes it a favorite among sport flyers and bush plane enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire FX803 RC Airplane is an ideal entry-level remote control aircraft designed for beginners, kids, and adults seeking an easy and enjoyable flying experience. This ready-to-fly, RTF, model comes fully assembled with all necessary components, including a 2.4 GHz 2-channel remote controller, making it convenient to start flying right out of the box. Constructed from lightweight and durable EPP foam, the FX803 is resilient against minor crashes, enhancing its longevity and making it suitable for novice pilots. The built-in 6-axis Euro stabilization system ensures stable and smooth flights, aiding beginners in maintaining control and building confidence during flight sessions. The aircraft features a 340 mm wingspan and weighs approximately 24.5 grams, contributing to its agility and ease of handling. It is powered by a 3.7V 150 mAh lithium polymer battery, providing around 15 minutes of flight time per charge. The package includes 2 batteries, effectively doubling the available flight time and allowing for extended practice sessions. Additional features include a USB charging cable for convenient recharging, spare propellers, and a landing gear to facilitate smooth takeoffs and landings. The remote controller requires 6 AA batteries, not included, and offers a control range of up to 150 meters, providing ample space for outdoor flying. In summary, the Makerfire FX803 RC Airplane offers a user-friendly and durable design, making it an excellent choice for those new to the world of remote-controlled aviation. Its stable flight characteristics, combined with a comprehensive package of accessories, ensure a rewarding and accessible flying experience for beginners of all ages. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a beginner-friendly RC airplane designed for both kids and adults seeking a fun, easy-to-fly experience. Engineered with simplicity and control in mind, it's ideal for new pilots looking to explore the world of remote-controlled aviation without a steep learning curve. This RC aircraft features 3 selectable flight modes that cater to various skill levels. These modes allow pilots to adjust the plane's responsiveness and control sensitivity, offering a smooth transition from beginner to more experienced flying. One of the standout features is its easy U-turn function, which helps maintain orientation and makes flying more intuitive, especially for younger users or first-timers. The Leambe plane is constructed from lightweight and flexible EPP foam, which enhances its durability and ability to withstand minor crashes or hard landings. This crash-resistant design makes it a reliable option for practice and outdoor flying, especially in open spaces like parks or backyards. It comes equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control system, which provides a stable signal and allows multiple planes to fly at the same time without interference. The plane also includes a gyroscopic stabilization system, which helps maintain balance during flight, allowing smoother turns and better control in windy conditions. As a ready-to-fly RTF model, everything needed to get started is included in the package: airplane, remote controller, rechargeable battery, and USB charging cable. The battery offers approximately 12 to 15 minutes of flight time per charge, depending on flying conditions. In summary, the Leambe RC aircraft plane offers a great mix of user-friendly features, durability, and flight stability. With its 3-mode control system and crash-resistant build, it's a solid option for beginners and families looking to enjoy outdoor RC flying fun with ease and confidence.